Hello everyone. So today's topic for my video is group discussion, and I'm going to tell you certain requirements for a group discussion one needs to have. And as you can see in the video, there are so many skills you develop, and you inculcate certain qualities, and either you need to have or you have to inculcate to be a successful participant in a group discussion. So as you can see, the first is teamwork, right? You need to know what is a teamwork, and then you must be aware about the social skills and behavior. uh, your behavior must be very nice and cooperative, understanding, and then you have to have good communication skills, no matter whether you speak in Hindi or in English. But whatever language you pick up, you must have a certain command over it. And then there is problem solving skills. You must have problem solving skills, then listening ability, leadership skills, general awareness, confidence, politeness. So these are the different skills which are evaluated when you are participating in a group discussion. So the evaluator look for these qualities. I hope you have understood something. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night. Have a great day.